Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at XM. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. XM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2009 and is regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CySEC, the ASIC and FCA, and currently have over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM accounts, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies, with spreads starting as low as 0.6 pips. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, Forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. And you can trade on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms. For clients of the Muslim faith, XM provides swap-free accounts, and beginners can use demo accounts to practice trading in a risk-free environment with a virtual funds balance of $100,000. As an XM client, you can get more out of your trades with 7 promotional offerings. The first is a welcome bonus of $30 and no minimum deposit is required, which is followed by a 50% deposit bonus of up to $500 plus a 20% deposit bonus. And all clients are also eligible to participate in trading contests to win cash prizes. Additionally, XM offers rewards through a referral program, and special bonuses are offered through the XM loyalty program. Free virtual private servers are also provided, and no fees are charged on deposits and withdrawals. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM has something for everyone. The XM homepage displays all the important information you need to know about their regulations, product offering, special features, and platforms supported. The website is well designed and user-friendly, and everything is easy to find. You can either find information by using the menu bar, or you can scroll to the bottom of the page and select topics from the lists. To find more information about the instruments offered by XM, you can find direct links on the homepage, or you can click on Trading on the menu bar and select an instrument. Alternatively, a list of trading instruments can also be found at the very bottom of the homepage. As mentioned before, XM offers the use of the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms. These platforms are available for Windows or Mac applications, browser-based non-downloadable applications, and applications for your smartphones. XM offers Forex trading on all of these platforms. Clients can select the trading platform of their choice after they have chosen the trading account that meets their needs during registration. The MetaTrader 5 platform offers all the features of MetaTrader 4 and 300 additional stock CFDs, making it the ideal multi-asset platform. Traders can practice their skills by opening up to 5 demo accounts with XM. It is a quick and easy process to complete registration for demo accounts and live accounts. XM offers a total of 4 trading account types, and all accounts, except for the shares account, have a minimum deposit requirement of $5 with no commission fees. All accounts also have negative balance protection and can be converted to swap-free accounts. The XM Micro and Standard accounts offer spreads starting at 1 pip, while spreads on the XM Ultra Low account start at 0.6 pips. These 3 accounts allow hedging and are suitable for all levels of trading experience. The XM Shares account is designed specifically for trading shares, and we would recommend this account for experienced traders only due to the higher minimum deposit requirement of $10,000 and the fact that spreads are not fixed and commission is charged. In addition to these 4 trading accounts, XM offers a demo account with a virtual funds balance of $100,000, and you can choose a platform type, a base currency for your demo account, an account type, the leverage you want, and the amount you want to invest. You can open up to 5 demo accounts with XM, which makes it a great option for testing strategies. For clients of the Muslim faith, XM allows all accounts to be converted to swap-free accounts. Creating an account with XM will only take about 2 minutes. Firstly, on their homepage, click on the Open Account button. Then, you'll want to fill in your personal details and specify your preferred trading account details. The next thing you'll want to do is verify your email address and your identity. And once your account is approved, you can fund your account and start trading. Traders who wish to open a demo account can do so simply from the homepage and requires the same process. Once your account has been approved and verified, the next step would be to download your trading platform. A link will be provided on the registration page or via email. Download your preferred platform. After you have chosen, downloaded, and installed your preferred platform, the next step would be to log in with the credentials provided. Enter your account credentials, which will be provided on your account registration page or via email. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 trading platform with XM. In the center you have your graph, on the left your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading, you can find detailed platform video tutorials over on the XM Learning Center, which provides in-depth video tutorials covering platform functionality to help you get started. With regards to educational resources, the XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos. Traders can enjoy live education on business days and to learn about the offered products and services, get questions answered by the hosts, and enter daily competitions to win exclusive prizes. XM also offers educational videos specifically designed to teach all viewers everything they need to know to trade successfully. The primary video series is free to view by everyone interested in online trading, while access to the intermediate video tutorials is only available for clients with a real account. Forex webinars are offered in 19 languages, 7 days a week by 42 webinar instructors. A large selection of languages makes this video series available to a large number of traders around the world, including African traders. Platform tutorials provide users with more answers, and Forex seminars explain the foundations of technical analysis and how they are applied to intraday trading. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news, a variety of trading ideas and technical summaries. They also feature podcasts that you can listen to at any time. More experienced traders can use advanced trading tools, such as MetaQuotes Language 5 and Forex calculators. Over its numerous years in operation, XM has received dozens of awards. Some of their more recent awards include the Best Forex Educational Broker in the MENA region, awarded by the Dubai Expo Awards of 2021. The Best Trading Experience, awarded by Ultimate FinTech of 2021. The Best FX Service Provider, awarded by the City of London Wealth Management Awards of 2021. The Best Broker in Customer Service, awarded by FX 168 in December 2020. And many, many more. Overall, what distinguishes XM from all other Forex brokers is that a great deal of effort has been made to give back to their clients through trading bonuses, loyalty program rewards, and the referral program. XM has millions of clients globally and has received multiple awards for exceptional trading services over the years. You can't go wrong with a broker that has an incredibly low minimum deposit requirement, no withdrawal and deposit fees, many regulations, flexible account types, and best of all, 7 promotional offerings and free educational resources. XM is definitely one of our top-rated Forex brokers, and if you are interested in claiming your welcome bonus, be sure to open your account today. This broker can be described as a worthwhile company for potential traders, retail traders, experienced traders or professional traders alike, knowing that they approach your needs with openness to cultural, national, ethnic and religious diversity. Their advanced trading platforms and flexible conditions suit a diverse global clientele, and their expertise is due to extensive experience and knowledge of the global financial markets. And that is our overview of XM. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.